Hello viewer, welcome back to our channel Tech on Best. Now I am comparing the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip with the Huawei Mate X SS. So this video will be very interesting and please watch a complete video. If you are interested about tech videos, so please hit the subscribe button and click the bell icon for latest updates. So without wasting any more time, go for it. The Samsung Galaxy Z Flip is a compare with the Huawei Mate X SS. Before, if watching more video about a smartphone, so please check the description. The Samsung Galaxy Z Flip are 4 dimension, unfoldable dimension 161.3 by 73.6 by 7.2 mm. Foldable dimension 87.4 by 73.6 by 17.3 mm. Huawei Mate XS are 4 dimension, unfoldable dimension 161.3 by 146.2 by 5.4 mm. Foldable dimension 161.3 by 73.5 by 11 mm. The body of the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip, glass front, glass back, Gorilla Glass 6 aluminum frame, SIM, nano SIM and eSIM. And the body of Huawei Mate XS, plastic front, aluminum back, aluminum frame, SIM, hybrid dual SIM, nano SIM, dual standby. The display of a Samsung Galaxy Z Flip, foldable dynamic AMOLED capacity touchscreen, display size 6.7 inch, resolution 1080 by 236 pixels, cover display 1.1 inch, Super AMOLED 112 by 300 pixels. The display of Huawei Mate XS, foldable OLED capacity touchscreen 16mm color, display size 8.0 inch. Resolution 2200 by 2480 pixels. Foldable cover display 6.6 inch AMOLED 1148 by 2480 pixels. The operating system of Samsung Galaxy Z Flip, Android 10.01 UI2, chipset Qualcomm SM8150 Snapdragon, CPU octa-core, GPU Adreno 640. The operating system of Huawei Mate XS, Adreno 10.0 EMUI 10.0, chipset High Silicon Crayon 995G, CPU octa-core, GPU Mali G76 MP16. The memory of Samsung Galaxy Z Flip, no card slot, internal memory 256GB and 8GB of RAM, UFS 3.0. The memory of Huawei Mate XS, card slot, nano memory up to 256GB, uses share SIM slot, internal memory 512GB and 8GB RAM, UFS 2.1. Camera. The main camera of Samsung Galaxy Z Flip, 12MP wide camera, 12MP ultra wide camera, future LED HDR panorama. The main camera of Huawei Mate XS, got 40MP wide camera, 8MP telephoto camera, 16MP ultra wide camera, TOF 3D depth. The selfie camera of Samsung Galaxy Z Flip, single 10MP wide camera, and the selfie camera of Huawei Mate XS, no uses main camera. The Samsung Galaxy Z Flip outdoor speaker is available, but 3.5mm jack is not available, and also the Huawei Mate XS of low speaker is available, but 3.5mm jack is not available. The connectivity of Samsung Galaxy Z Flip, Wi-Fi 802.11 dual band Wi-Fi direct hotspot, Bluetooth 5.0 A2DPLE, GPS with the GPS GLONASS Glio BDS, NFC available, USB 3.1 Type-C 1.0 reversible connector, USB on the go. The connectivity of a Huawei Mate X is Wi-Fi 802.11 dual band Wi-Fi direct hotspot, Bluetooth 5.0 A2DPLE, GPS with dual band, AGPS GLONASS, BDS Glio. NFC and infrared port is available, but radio is not available. USB 3.1 Type-C 1.0 reversible connector. The sensor of Samsung Galaxy Z Flip, fingerprint, accelerometer, gyro, proximity compass, and also the sensor of a Huawei Mate X. Fingerprint, accelerometer, gyro, proximity compass. The battery of the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip, non-removable Li 3300 mAh battery, fast charging, 15W wireless charging. The battery of Mate X non-removable LiP of 4500 mAh battery, fast charging, 55W, 85% in 30 minutes, Huawei Supercharge. If watching more video about smartphones, so please check the description, or any question about a smartphone, so please leave the comment and I will try to reply.